Go. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Monday. Ito na naman tayo. Another good week. This is gonna be an interesting week so far kasi for one, malapit na yung mga major na upcoming news for the GBP and trade war. So let's start muna tayo sa weekly calendar natin. Today, meron tayong mga heavy news sa China and AUD. So according here, gumanda yung PMI sa China. Thus, pag kasi gumanda ang economy ng China, affected din dyan yung NZD tsaka AUD. So lumakas ang AUD. Actually, ang AUD medyo nabawi yung pagkalakas kasi negative news yung mga heavy news niya. Building approvals. Kaya, pero yung NZD, nag-boosted siya ng malaki today dahil dito sa good news. Although kahit walang news sa NZD, ganun kalaki ang effect ng China sa mga Australia and New Zealand dollar. And mamaya tonight, we're gonna have a big news sa Euro. So sa mga Euro traders dyan, be careful kung mag-technical analysis kayo. And for USD also. Now tomorrow, mukhang marami tayong mga AUD news. So another AUD news, meron tayong RBA statement. So tomorrow mukhang magde-decide ulit kung magkakat ba sila ng rate or they're gonna keep it. So this could be a very, very important. All right? Mag-trade kayo ng AUD, wag muna sa umaga until decided kung ano ba mangyayari. Okay? As for so Wednesday, AUD ulit. Talagang present na present ang AUD this week just like last week eh. And then sa gabi ng Wednesday, Canada. Okay, may mga Bank of Canada rate statement naman tayo. Okay, so we're definitely gonna stay close sa mga Canada. So Canada traders, be careful din. Mukhang may mga ano tayo, big news. Thursday naman, okay, meron tayong talagang mga bank news this week NZD, Governor Orr is gonna speak, so we're gonna find out what's gonna happen. All right, same thing with AUD. Halos araw-araw meron tayong AUD pero lang sa Friday. And Friday, we have Canada and USD. Employment, unemployment. Very important yung mga yan. So this could shape the market for this whole month or this whole week. So if you guys gonna trade USD pairs and Canada pairs, do it before the news. So do it sa morning or Philippine time or avoid nighttime trading kasi it's gonna be a very volatile market. All right. So, okay. So far, ano ba nangyari today? So, let's go to the chart muna. Tingnan ko. Yung mga trade kasi ko today, just want to share with everyone. Starting with muna sa NZD JPY. Alright. So, first things first. This morning, nakita ko yung NZD na meron siyang gap. So, for me, it's another opportunity. So, nalagay ako ng sell position dito right here. And since tumaas pa siya, kasi nga malakas ang China, thus affected ang NZD, mukhang tumaas ulit. So, naglagay ako ng additional position. Mukhang tumaas ulit na nagbukas yung Euro session. So, ngayon, final third position. See, I don't expect this. So, let's look at muna sa daily chart. I don't expect this to go up too much today. Kasi, although kahit maganda yung news sa China, kasi may mga, wala pa rin tayong decision sa trade war eh. Yung trade war decision is gonna be this, December 15. Diyan mag-decide kung si Trump ba ay magro-roll back ng tariffs. Kasi if yung decision na yon could make it or break it sa mga AUD pairs and NZD pairs. All right? So for now, I don't expect this to go up too high. So we're gonna expect a market correction maybe tonight pagbukas ng US market. Or tomorrow, ng madaling araw, till morning, kakaroon tayo ng market correction. Kaya I'm not too worried that it's gonna go up. Kasi di mo, wala naman tayong mga heavy news sa NZD or JPY and yet tumaas pa siya ng, bigla-biglaan. From here, from morning, tinaas niya is 50 pips. Actually, very big yung 50 pip move na yan sa NZD. Pero lang pagka may mga bank rate news. Usually, ang mga movement lang niya is around 20 to 30 lang. Pinakamalaki ni 30. So, pero today, was an exception dahil nga sa China. Okay? So, we will see. Update ko kayo mamaya. Magiging profitable ako dyan. Pagbukas ng US market. Papost ko naman sa Facebook group natin. And then, now, taking a look at my other position dito sa GBP. And naglagay dito na ako ng buy position sa unang support. Pero as you can see, kalakasan ng NZD na kaya niya yung GBP. Kasi right now, ang GBP is trading sideways. What does that mean? hindi pa niya decided kung which direction it's going kasi it's relying on the election December 12. Kasi kung ano magiging result ng election, magde-determine where it will go. Now, why do I feel confident na magre-reverse siya pataas? Well, from my opinion, from my own analysis, let's look at the daily candle. As you can see naman, ang GBP naglalaro lang sa range na yan. And ito kasi is a strong support. There are many times where na-reach na yung strong support na to at nag-bounce siya. Nag-bounce ulit. Ngayon, nag-keep bouncing. Ngayon, ito na-hit niya ulit siya. And it's gonna bounce. Although may mga some negative news sa NZD na humahabol nga si Corbyn, pero politics lang naman yan eh. Kasi ang mga politics, you never know exactly what they mean. They're gonna say one thing, pero iba yung mangyayari sa market. So, one way to look at the market is see yourself as an investor. Pagka may mga ganitong balita, would you want to invest billions of dollars sa ganitong direction? Diba? So, parang talagang very psychological lang trading. So, para sa akin, this could go up tonight or tomorrow morning. So, i-hold ko lang yung mga position ko na to and wait and see where the market will go. Okay? And masasabi ko this week sa mga bootcampers natin, definitely stay away muna sa mga AUD sa umaga kasi ang daming heavy news if you want to do technical analysis on that. Pero one of the best pairs to trade kung if you're gonna do support and resistance, definitely CHF, JPY. Yung pair na to palagi naglalaro lang up and down, up and down, up and down. Mahit man yung support, it will go back to the pivot area. Tignan mo, boom, boom, down. Lately, ganun ang ugali niya. Ito, bumaba naman siya ng gartong kalaki, pero binawi niya kinabukasan yung pagbabagsak niya. So, CHF-JPY, parehas sa safe haven currency, very good for support and resistance. Sa ano naman, Euro-GBP, very similar din kasi Euro-GBP, they're always playing around na up and down, up and down. Pwera lang to kasi mukhang bumagsak siya dito and it's yet to go up. Pero usually it likes to go up and down most of the time. Okay? AUD and ZD, pwede rin kaya so may mga major news nga sa AUD kasi mukha nyo nagbagsak ang AUD. Pero usually ang ugali ng AUD and ZD is up and down, up and down. As you can see naman, natouch na yung mga support, nahihit na yung pivot, boom, boom, boom. Pwede lang to today kasi negative news nga sa AUD. Possible na tumaas siya mamayang gabi pagka nagbukas yung US market. Alright? So, okay. That's it for now, ladies and gentlemen. Ito muna ang magiging ano natin. Then update ko na lang kayo kung may mga upcoming news. Lalagyan mo ako ng headlines sa group natin kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa market. So, lalo na sa mga technical traders natin dyan na nakarely sa calendar. Kasi minsan ang mga news wala sa calendar. Lalo na yung mga politics, yung mga trade war, yung Brexit wala sa calendar yan. Kaya it's so tough to, alam mo yung set up mo yung araw mo or your whole week ng technical trading kasi nga anytime there could be a news pop in. It's one of the most dangerous part of trading, technicals. Pero in the future, the more you get better your technicals, I'm sure you guys will end up learning, fundamentals, how to read the news. And, only over time you will learn how to read the news. Kasi you don't learn the news by reading a book or two or watching YouTube videos. You learn it through your own personal experience. The more you read the news, the better you become at it. Okay? So that's it for now, ladies and gentlemen. Kung meron kayong mga questions or concerns, just comment down below. All right? That's it for now. Good evening, everyone, and have a profitable week.